is also one other thing that isn't technically a cam design thing, but one thing that I did a long time ago that I didn't really tell anybody about is that the way that we are achieving the different stroke profiles is this little ramp here, right, where the
Right.
bearing is riding along that, and that is causing this thing to push the needle. And the shape, or what we call the waveform or stroke profile of that ramp, has been varied between the different cams in order to achieve different results. So on two of them, the 20 and the 40%, it's a symmetrical waveform, and on the 28 and 33%, it's asymmetrical. So in other words, on this half of the ramp, like on the extension of the needle, is one shape, and on the retraction of the needle is a different shape. And so what I didn't mention to the world at the time was that there was a purpose for that, and it's just that I never got around to figuring out how to achieve it until now. So with using the battery version, the play, so the play button, it doubles as a directional reverse button as well. So it's on off, and then with a long press, so like press and hold for 2 seconds, what it'll do is shut the motor off momentarily and turn it back on in reverse. And the purpose for that is now these 28 and 33 with the asymmetrical stroke profile now become dual purpose. So you have, for example, with the 33, you'll have it's basically the 40 on one side and the 20 on the other side. We called it the 33, that's just what we called it, because we're estimating the amount of time based on our tests that it spends in the extended position of its cycle. But if you reverse it, it'll hit harder like a liner, and if you reverse it and then it'll hit more like the 33 that you're used to, or the 40. And then with the 28, it'll be kind of like hard liner, soft liner, or hard liner, shader kind of thing. So by pushing a button, you transform the machine from liner to shader, or liner to even packer, or what we've been calling the blender. The 33 is what we've been calling the blender, but it's very similar to the 40 in that in the extension, it's just a quick retraction. And there's definitely, it's noticeable to switch between the 33 and the 40 even, but now you can do it kind of on the fly and just like press a button, and so we're pretty excited about that.
That's super cool. Yeah.